The IT results are going to be declared for the second quarter starting 11th, which is tomorrow. Let's quickly take a preview on how results are expected to be. IT sector is under a lot of pressure. Various, commentary that is coming in from IT sector, for IT sector rather, is that the growth is going to be muted. It's going to be a washout year. On the other hand, there are certain agencies that are reporting that IT sector will see some uptick. What is the preview looking like? How is the IT sector likely to perform?
How many red arrows are we looking at?
As you rightly mentioned, Shweta, the IT sector's performance in the run-up to the Q2 results has become quite a bit of a moot point. You know, JP Morgan, as you also pointed out, expects FY24 to be a washout year. Then we have Morgan Stanley on the other hand, who expects, some sort of a recovery taking place in the second half of FY24. But as far as Q2 is concerned, there is a consensus that, like Q1, Q2 will also be a weak quarter for the IT companies. Now, this will be on the back of uncertainties in global macroeconomic front and sticky inflation, which will dampen the demand for IT services. Now, according to brokerages, there will be a delay in decision making, especially in delay in discretionary spends from these companies, and especially in the smaller projects. So this will be a big overhang for the companies in the Q2 results. That said, it seems that the fact that the stocks have been under pressure for the past however many months, it seems that the weakness that is expected in Q2 numbers has already been priced in. So hence, more than the numbers, the focus this time around will be on management commentary. How much demand is expected to kick off from here. Are there any green shoots of recovery? Also, we'll wait and to hear more on the generative AI front. Then contract signs and deal wins. If you remember, Krishna and Shweta, in the last 2 or 3 months, contrary to the narrative that there is weak demand for IT products, these companies have signed multi-million-dollar, multi-year contracts. For TCS, for example, has signed contracts worth $3.6 billion. Infosys, on the other hand, has signed contracts worth, as you can see on your screen, nearly $5.5 billion worth of contract. HCL Tech has signed contracts worth about $2 billion, and the graphic says it's for this year, but most of these contracts have come in the last 2-3 months. So the focus again will be on what the management commentary is saying, the TCV, the total contract value, the outlook about the demand, and that will be the primary focus. And talking about the performance of the IT pack, in the July to September quarter, Nifty IT has actually outperformed Nifty. Nifty IT has run up about 7.5% and Nifty has run up about 1.6%. So after initial weakness, the IT has emerged as some sort of a contrarian bet in the market, and we are seeing the stocks also, especially the large cap and the mid cap stocks, doing fairly well. TCS, has touched a 52-week high recently. Infosys is about 5% or so below that mark. HCL Tech Mahindra also hovering near those 52-week level highs. And you can talk about the rally in mid-cap all day. We have seen tremendous run-up in, IT mid-cap stocks lately. So that's pretty much as far as Q2 goes. The numbers will start trickling in from tomorrow.
All right.
First, we'll see TCS, which is tomorrow, and then on October 12th, HCL Tech and Infosys will come out with the results. Next week, we have Wipro, and a lot of mid-cap companies like Coforge and Persistent, Emphasis also coming out. Tech Mahindra will be the last. It will come out the week after the next on 25th October.
All right. So that, of course, is the preview of how IT companies, as and when they come out with their Q2 earnings, but it's going to be a mixed bag is what everybody, I think that is an agreement, a point of agreement that it's going to be a mixed bag for IT sector, for Indian IT sector in the quarter gone by.